Hello and welcome back. My name is Elizabeth Montepo, and today we're going to do something powerful. This isn't just a relaxation meditation. We're going to work on your subconscious. We're going to slowly rewrite the patterns and beliefs that have been running your life without you even realizing it. If you commit to listening to this meditation every day for at least the next 2 weeks, you'll start noticing changes. Not immediately, maybe not today, but little by little, your thoughts, feelings, and the way you experience life will shift. So get comfortable. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and let it out. Let your body settle. Let your shoulders drop. Relax your jaw. Feel your body supported wherever you are. And just notice your breath. Nothing to fix, nothing to judge. Just breathe in and breathe out. Right now, your subconscious is listening. Not in a scary, it's watching you way. It's listening like a friend, ready to hear the new you. And that's what we're giving it today. A new version of you. One that's calm. One that's confident. One that naturally attracts what you want instead of forcing it. So let's start letting go. Take a slow breath. And as you exhale, silently say to yourself, I let go of what doesn't serve me. Again, breathe in. Exhale. I let go of what doesn't serve me. Notice your body relaxing a little more with each breath. Notice the space opening inside you. The space where old doubts and worries used to live. And now, gently, let's start planting new beliefs. Say in your mind, I am enough. I am worthy. I am loved. I am capable of everything I desire. Feel those words. I am loved. I am capable of everything I desire. Don't just say them like empty phrases. Feel them in your chest, in your belly, in every cell of your body. Some old thoughts may pop up. That's okay. The mind likes to check in, likes to remind you of the old stories. Just notice them, smile, and let them float away. Breathe in and let yourself in the new you. I am confident. I am abundant. I trust myself and my path. I am abundant. I trust myself and my path. Imagine yourself walking through life as this new version of you. Notice how you move, how you speak, how you feel. No struggle, no second guessing, just flow. And now, take a deep breath and repeat. I am creating my reality with ease. I am aligned with my highest good. I am stepping fully into who I really am. Take a few moments here. Feel that energy spreading through your body. Every old limiting thought, every doubt, softens and disappears. Stay here for a few moments. Just being, just feeling. Letting these truths sink in deeply. The more you do this meditation, the more your subconscious accepts it as truth. The more you listen, the more your reality begins to reflect it. So for the next 2 weeks, make this a habit. Come back every day, even if you feel busy, even if it's just for a few minutes. Your subconscious is always listening. And the more you feed it with these truths, the faster you'll start seeing the shifts in your life. And when you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to your body. Feel your hands, your legs, the space around you. Carry this energy with you, not as just a meditation, but as a shift. As a new part of who you are. Because this is not temporary. This is real. The new version of you is already here. You just need to let it live in you. Take one last deep breath and slowly open your eyes. Namaste.